Hello students, in the last class we have considered the preparation, special method for the preparation of aldehydes. In this class we can consider the special method for the preparation of the ketones. First method is from the acyl chloride or acid chloride. Acyl chloride or acid chloride. In this acyl chloride, that is first we consider the Grignard reagent or MgX. Grignard reagent. That Grignard reagent treated with cadmium chloride. This is Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent. This is cadmium chloride. Cadmium chloride. Grignard reagent treated with cadmium chloride. Dialkyl cadmium. This is dialkyl cadmium. Dialkyl cadmium. That is, to balance this, you use 2RMgX. Dialkyl cadmium is formed. In addition to that one, MgXCl. MgXCl. That is 2MgXCl. This is the main one. Dialkyl cadmium. The formed dialkyl cadmium then treated with acid chloride. Acid chloride formula is RCOCl. This is acid chloride. Acid chloride treated with dialkyl cadmium. Dialkyl cadmium. This is the dialkyl cadmium. Acid chloride treated with dialkyl cadmium. The dialkyl cadmium is formed by the reaction between Grignard reagent and cadmium fluoride. There results in the formation of RCOR plus cadmium chloride. This RCOR means ketone. Ketone is formed. That is 2RCOR, then CdCl2. This is about the preparation of the ketone from acid chloride. That is, acid chloride, explanation is acid chloride treated with dialkyl cadmium obtained from the reaction between Grignard reagent and cadmium chloride. Ketone is formed. This is the explanation. Otherwise, you give the self-explanatory. That is Grignard reagent, cadmium chloride, dialkyl cadmium. Then acid chloride, dialkyl cadmium, ketone is formed. Then second method. Second method is from alkane nitrile. From alkane nitrile. From the alkane nitrile also, alkane nitrile formula is RC triple bond N, that is RCN, alkane nitrile. You split that one as RC triple bond N. In this RCN, carbon is less electronegative, gets delta plus, nitrogen more electronegative, gets delta minus. Treated with RMgX. RMgX means the Grignard reagent. This is alkane nitrile. Alkane nitrile treated with Grignard reagent. First method also we are using Grignard reagent. That is from that acyl chlorides. Starting material is Grignard reagent. From alkane nitrile also you have to use the Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent formula is RMgX. In this Grignard reagent, carbon more electronegative, that is delta minus, magnesium electropositive, delta plus. Then you add this one to that oppositive charges, that is RC to the carbon carrying positive, hence R get added. The triple converted into double, N to the nitrogen, MgX get added. This is the intermediate. This intermediate on acid hydrolysis. This intermediate on acid hydrolysis. Here bond cleavage takes place, one oxygen and H2. 1 mole. Then one more water consumed. This is the bond cleavage. Here HOH. Then you can write the products like RCOR. This is RCOR. One molecule. This is ketone. In addition to ketone, NH3 and MgXOH. MgXOH. This is the second method from alkane nitrile. Alkane nitrile RCN reacts with Grignard reagent. Intermediate. This is the intermediate form. This intermediate on acid hydrolysis forms the ketone. Next, most important one, Friedel-Crafts acylation. Third method is Friedel-Crafts. Friedel-Crafts acylation. This is very important method. From the ketones, they can ask this one only. Friedel-Crafts acylation. Simple reaction. You take this is the compound. This is benzene. Benzene treated with CH3COCl. CH3COCl. This CH3COCl, it is called acetyl chloride. Acetyl chloride reacts in the presence of anhydrous aluminium chloride. Anhydrous aluminium chloride. This H replaced by the acetyl group, CH3CO group, and H replaced by the Cl. Then the product is, in place of H, acetyl, CO, CH3. CH3 plus HCl. This is, name of this compound is acetophenone. Acetophenone. They can ask for 2 marks. Explain the preparation of acetophenone from benzene by Friedel-Crafts acylation. This is the question. Explain the preparation of acetophenone starting from benzene by using Friedel-Crafts acylation. They give this benzene name, acetophenone name. You have to remember this: acetyl chloride, anhydrous aluminium chloride. Benzene treated with acetyl chloride, CH3COCl, in the presence of anhydrous aluminium chloride catalyst, acetophenone is formed. This reaction is called Friedel-Crafts acylation. This is very important. From the point of aldehydes, preparation, you have to concentrate on the Rosenmund's reduction, and second one is Gattermann-Koch reaction. Gattermann-Koch reaction and Ettard's reaction catalyst. In Ettard's reaction, oxidizing agent used. You have to concentrate for your board examination. You have to concentrate on Rosenmund's reduction, Gattermann-Koch reaction, and oxidizing agent name in Ettard's reaction. And fourth one, from the ketones. From ketones, you have to concentrate on Friedel-Crafts acylation. In out of these 4, they can ask any one question. Definitely they can ask one question by using these 4 questions. This is about the methods of preparation of aldehyde and ketones. In next class, you can study about the properties of aldehydes and ketones.